After modeling the lower level of a building, the staircase and elevator shaft leading to the second floor, you can begin modeling reinforced concrete columns. From the text menu, select Geometry, Properties, Sections. The Sections dialog displays. Click New Section Definition to create a new section for the concrete columns. The New Section dialog displays. Expand the section type dropdown and select RC column. In the General Parameters group, set the base to 300 and height to 600. The label field automatically updates with the measurements. However, the material label does not. Change the label to RC 300 by 600. Finally, click Add, and then close the dialog. In the Section dialog, the new section is added to the list and is selected. In the Lines Members field, clear the current selection, and then close the dialog. Now it's time to model the columns. From the text menu, select Geometry, Columns. The Column dialog displays. In the Properties group, expand the Section dropdown and select RC Column. Next, expand the Section dropdown and select RC 300 by 600. In the Drawing area, using the structural axes as guides, pick to place columns. For this model, the columns should be placed so that the tops of the columns are aligned with the Story 2 axis. All four corners of the building should have columns, and 2 columns should be placed equidistant between the corners, except for the side where the staircase has been placed. Place a total of 10 columns. Modeling columns using section definitions can expedite the modeling process.